pyramid. So the base is rectangle. And then let me draw it out first. This one is 63 cm. This here is 56 cm. Okay, I don't require you to draw the net of the pyramid, but you may find it helpful. Okay, how the net will look like, okay, is actually the same as what you see in example 6. Alright, in your notes. Okay, so in this question we want to find the total surface area. Okay, oh dear, there are different markers on the other class. See, I'm having a terrible day today. Nothing is going right. Never mind. Sorry, I'm just ranting aloud. Forgive me. Okay, you're the only class that I can rant to. Okay. So, to find out the total surface area. Okay. Total surface area means you need to find the area of all the 4 triangles around and also the rectangle at the bottom. Okay. So for the triangle that's in front, right in front here. Okay. This triangle in front is the same triangle as the one at the back. Alright? And to find the area of this triangle VWX, right? Okay, we take half times base times the height. The height that we have to take is not the height of the pyramid, but the slant height of this triangle, which is 56 cm. Okay, so you can calculate it individually first. So area of triangle VWX, okay, is equals to half times 66 times 66. Alright? I'll leave you to compute it. Then after that, the area of the triangle on the right. Okay, is actually the same area as the one on the left. Okay, the 4 triangles are actually not the same. Reason is because the base is rectangular. If the base is a square, then there's no problem. All the 4 triangles will be of the same area. Right? So, to find the area of the triangle that's on the right, which is x, y, b. Okay, we will take half times 32 times 63. Base is 32 cm. The slant height here is 63 cm. Okay, and then I'll leave you to calculate this as well. Alright, then the area of the rectangle at the bottom, which is WXYZ, will be simply length times breadth, so 66 times 32. Okay, so when it comes to such questions, right, I don't want you to give up, okay, think that, wow, this is so complicated, total surface area, then don't do a single calculation, right? You never know, okay, if you break it up into parts, just go and calculate whatever that you know, alright, and then you may be able to score some marks out of it, okay? So don't give up on the question itself. Okay, just find whatever that you know. Right? So after you find out this tree already, to find the total surface area, we will take half times the 2 times. Okay, so this one star, this one triangle, this one heart shape. Alright, so 2 times of the star plus 2 times of the triangle plus 1 time of the heart shape. And then you will get your answer in cm squared. Right, so I'll leave you to calculate it. Any questions? If you didn't do your homework, I think it's only basic courtesy that you copy something rather than sit there and don't do anything. Okay? your friend there for coffee. Okay? Any questions? Question 12. A glass paperweight is in the shape of a solid pyramid with a square base of length 6 cm and a height of 7 cm. So the question never give diagram. Okay, you can draw one yourself. Although I must admit, drawing 3D diagrams is not a simple task. Okay, so square base, length 6 cm, so everywhere is 6 cm. Then the height of the pyramid, from the vertex all the way down, is actually 7 cm. Alright, to find out the volume, how to find the volume? Geraldine, how to find the volume? Half volume for pyramid. Oh, what do you want? 1/3 times base. Base is what? Okay, 6 times 6. Then times 7. Good. Alright, so that will be the volume calculation. Part 2, to find out what is the mass of the paperweight. If 1 cm cube of glass has a mass of 3.1 gram. So 1 cm cube is 3.1 gram. If I can find the volume here, I will be able to determine the grams. Right? Can someone tell me what's the answer here? 84. Okay, so what must I do to get the mass? 84 times 3.1. Thank you, sir. Okay, and you will get an answer. Okay. So for question 15, I need to find out the height given that the volume of this pyramid is 180 cm cube. Okay, the height refers to this one here. Okay, so it is open. Right? So given the volume, how to find the height? How to find? Wait, what do you think? What's the volume formula of pyramid? Okay, 1/3 times base times height. 1/3 times base. Base is what? 10 and 8. Okay, so 10 times 8 times the height. That gives us the volume, which is 180. So we can form an equation like that. Right? So then, to find out what is the height, we take 180, divide by 1/3, divide by 10 times 8, which is 80 lah. Okay? So you can go and compute that your own as well. Okay? the surface area already, right? So we need to find the areas of the triangle and also the area of the base. The base is not an issue, okay? So let's just tackle that now. Alright, so area of the base, you can say, call it ABCD. So that's 10 times 8. So just practice writing everything that you know. Okay? Then after that, I need to go and find the areas of the triangles. So to find the areas of the triangles, let's look at this triangle that's right in front. So OAB. Okay? We know the area of the triangle is half times base times height. If I want to use 10 cm as my base, I need to know the height, which is this length here, going down like that. Agree? Okay? And this length, okay, it is slanted because it is going down the surface of the pyramid. Okay? So how do we find this slant height then? We use Pythagoras. Okay? So if I redraw out a triangle, okay, so slant height is this one, all the way to maybe call it this x. The diagram gives more information. No, okay. So all the way to x, alright? Then O lands up over here, okay? So maybe let's call this maybe B, okay? So B here, alright? OV is none other than the height 6.75. Okay, to do Pythagoras, I need to know at least one more value, which is xb. This length here. So what's the length of xb? 4. Because this is 8 cm, 8 cm over here, 8 cm here. I divide by 2, I will get 4. Okay, so I will get 4 cm here. Right? So by referring to this triangle using my Pythagoras, OX squared is equals to 6.75 squared plus 4 squared. Okay? This one, let me just calculate out. Okay, we get 61 and 9 over 16. So OX is square root of that. Okay, we get about 7.846. Okay, so 7.8461 is the length of OX. So then we can go and find out what is the area of the triangle OAB. Alright, which will be half times AB 10 cm times 7.8461. Okay, either you use the truncated 1SM value or you use the full square root value, that's fine as well. Okay, just maintain accuracy. Alright. Can someone give me the answer here? In truncated 5SM? What is it? 39.2301. Okay. So we settled one triangle already. We still need another triangle, which is the one beside it. Okay, OBC. Alright. So same method. Okay. We need to know what is the slant height. Okay, because the slant height is the height that's going to be used for the area of triangle. Alright, so to find out what is this one here, okay, I also once again use Pythagoras theorem, looking at this slant, go in and then to the vertical height here. Do you see that? Okay, so now like that, like that. Right, so O all the way to Q, then all the way to the center B. Okay? OQV. Alright, so OV is the height, 6.75. Okay, what is the length of VQ? 5, because 10 divided by 2. Okay, then OQ will actually be taking Pythagoras theorem again. We get about 70 and 9/16. So now that we have this, we find area of triangle OBC. So, got the areas of two triangles and the area of the base. We just times 2 to this, times 2 to this, and then add up with area of ABCD. Then we can find the total surface area. Alright, so I'll leave you to find total surface area, your own. Okay. Any questions? Can I calculate anything for me? When you're done doing your corrections and solving for the answer, pass your homework to the front. Red and Zizia, I also want it to be submitted to the front.
Everything I know. Everything I know. Oh, times 2 that one, times 2 that one, then plus that. No, times 2 that one, times 2 that one, then take it times that one. Total surface area what? OBC, yeah? You times 2, you times 2 of the area of the OBC, times 2 of the area of OAB, then you add them both together with the area of ABC, the total surface area. 2, 3, I think. No. I don't know.
I do question. Oh, I never asked you. Okay, handing your homework to the front, please. Final answer, CSF, yes.
What?
What's the answer? I told you to calculate. Huh? Aku fine lah, boleh. Ayo lah, aku fine lah. Mas gini. Kan? That's fine.
How is it that your answers can be like that? Everything one step, you think Primary school man. Huh? Each question you one step eh. What effort is it? Combine the steps. You try give me one magical formula to combine all these steps.
You put the answer.
Then your whole answer is a paragraph. Combine one.
Continuous equal.
So equal, then equal.
Aku lazy to calculate. I thought calculate. So minus.
So in one line got 3 equal.
Huh?
So in one line got 3 equal signs.
Oh, best.
This one equal.
Equal.
Why you put something on the book?
Huh?
Tell us there.
I thought on the book. I too lazy to tell.
So we need to try it.
Okay, take out your notes. We will continue with our codes.
He got new video, the Chinese thing.
Yeah?
He got new video.
Sorry?
We're still going So how can you?
Oh shit.
Space in the back.
Oh.
No, then you put everything else. Just down and copy down.
Oh, I think that's good.
Your save by save.
The camera so small, then the whole thing so big. Only there's the part of it, then the whole thing so.
Okay, let's look at codes.
Oh, very nice.
Is this your last lesson for today?
Yes, but for Jared, not.
Jared Jaden again.
She's at the end.
Oh, 3 o'clock.
Huh?
They 3 o'clock end. We 1:30 and then 40 minutes, 2 o'clock, then they 1 hour. They 3 o'clock.
Okay. I want to finish up those yes. And copy. What you have phones on your desk and the bench. What's going Charlie over there? Huh? You don't need to pay electricity, is it? Then you can charge. Please take it out.
Why are you making until so obvious?
So you mean not obvious? That means it's correct? Okay. And some more you put little effort into your homework and you want to use the electricity in the school.
Seems about right.
If you put more effort into your homework, at least it justifies the use of electricity. But of course, I'm not saying that the rest of you can be charging things in your classroom, alright? Because that's not right.
No, once we pay
The school rule, see? Emphasis, right? School rule is phone inside the bag or pocket. Okay, unless you define that as your pocket lah. You put your hands over there.
You cannot, you put the charger right, you take the charger, you put your phone inside your charge.
Then later you put your pen there, you see it.
Actually, you lucky your phone never kena confiscated.
You lucky,
So
bastard.
even though only you cannot put.
Not confiscated by thieves.
Okay, let's look at surface area of phones. Right, so last lesson, okay, we have already covered the volume of cone. Formula is, what's the formula?
Pi r
square
times
plus
of this area.
R square is the base area.
One
Oh,
over
r
three.
square. Oh, forget.
Okay, 1/3 R square H. And the cone looks something like that. Okay, radius, height. Right? Now when it comes to surface area of a cone, okay, the cone itself, we will have the rounded part, okay, at the top, and then after that, of course, the circle at the bottom. Okay, so total surface area of cone will include the top part and also the bottom. The top part has a special name to it. It's called the curved surface area.
It's the cone.
Okay? Total means everything that as long as you think you can touch, okay, that's counted in the total surface area. Right? Curved surface area at the top, bottom is the circle. Right? Then how to find the total surface area at the top? Okay? So to find the total surface area at the top, okay, there is a formula to it. It is pi RL. Okay? There is definitely a way to explain why is it that the curved surface area at the top, okay, is actually pi RL, right? But I will not take the time to actually explain it. Okay, maybe I'll go and find a video, then I'll upload it to show you. I'll upload onto Google Classroom. Okay, then after that, the circle base. Okay, of course we know the 1 pi r squared. Okay, so what is L? L is the slant height. Okay, so not all questions will provide you with the slant height. Okay, what if question don't provide you with slant height? What can you do?
Draw.
Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Alright. Okay, let's look at example 8 and 9. Although technically should be 9 and 10 because last lesson I added one more question, right? But never mind, let's follow what I printed for you. Here we got this solid cone. We want to find the total surface area. Okay, so to find the total surface area in this case, what should I have in my calculation?
Pi RL 9.
What to have? Albert. Sorry, I did. Pi? Is it pi? Find area of the circle. Oh, okay, find the base area of the circle. Alright, let's do that first. Base area is equals to pi 10 square, okay? Pi times 10 square. That's 100 pi. Okay, you can press into your calculator for the truncated 5SF value, okay, which will end up becoming about, sorry, 100 pi, which will be about 314.15. So you can use this value. Otherwise, okay, a more accurate answer will be, you go and count the numbers first. 10 squared is 100. Pi, you leave it. So you leave the answer in terms of pi. Okay? Because this is not yet our final answer. Alright, so we need to use a fairly accurate value for my later calculation. Okay? Use either 100 pi or the truncated 5SF. Now that I find the base area already, what must I find next? Xavier, what do I find next? The curved surface area, and what would that curved surface area be? Hang on, pi times 10 times 26. Okay, so you can count 10 times 26, 260 pi, or else, okay, you can go and calculate for truncated 5SF 816.81. Okay, then after that, for total surface area, we got to add them up. So to add them up, 100 pi plus 260 pi, okay, will give you a very accurate answer. Otherwise, you take 314.15 plus 816.81, also fine. And we get 1130 cm squared when rounded off to 3 sm. Okay? For people like Kaishen who loves to do things in one step only, he will put this and this together using exactly the formula. That's fine as well. Okay? Right? But of course you need to be careful. Sometimes the question may not actually ask for total surface area. They may ask for only the curved surface area. Right? So know what to apply and know what to use. Okay, example 4. You want to find the total surface area still for this code here. Okay. How should we go about finding the total surface area? Actually, master of simple working. Give me a simple working. Find the, sorry? The slant height. Even slant height you also cannot. Okay, L, yes. Right? So how to find the slant height? L equals to 6 square plus 4 square. Huh? L square equals 6 square plus 4 square. Is this right?
No.
Angel shake head. Why? 2 square. 2 square or 4 square? Your master, you know, you must make sure it's accurate. Yeah. So, Angel, 2, okay, so 2 square. So, got to be very careful. The right angle triangle that we're looking at is this one here. So, don't be deceived by the diameter. Okay, so this one is 2. What's the diameter? We need the radius, okay, to find the slant height. Right, so 36 plus 4, that will give us 40. So L is equal to square root of 40 or negative square root of 40. We reject the negative one and we get about 6.324 something. 6.3245. So find L already, then what? Diana, what do you think? We found L already. How to find the total surface area? Base area. So find base area. We show me. Pi times 2 square, very good. Gives us 4 pi. Correct? Then find what? Curved surface area. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, so curved surface area is what? Pi. Pi times 6. Pi times 6 times 4. You sure? Very, very sure. 6.3245 comes in?
Remove the 6. Then, yeah.
6.3245 times
Times 4.
4. Sure? Very sure.
Oh, times 2.
Times 2. Sure or not?
Yeah.
Very sure? You're not master, I can forgive you one. Yeah, it's okay. Not like master Kaishen. You're unforgivable. Yeah.
师傅。
So, okay, so we use pi RL, alright? Pi radius 2, slant height 6.3245. Okay? So, can calculate this one. In this case, might not be good to actually have exact because I of decimals. So, might as well just do truncated 5/7. So, 39.73. Okay, then total surface area will be the base area 4 pi plus 39.73. We get about 52.304. Round off 3SF. What is the answer in 3SF? HD? 3SF. Only press calculator. The number there 52.304. 3SF. Yes? What was the answer? You said 52.3, I'm sorry, I can't hear you. You have reached the highest level of communication that I can't hear you. So 52.3 cm square, 3SF. Alright? Okay, with the remaining time, I'd like you to just, don't think we got a lot of time. Okay, I want you to do question 1, 2, 3, and 4 first. Okay, for your workbook. Okay, please work on your workbook now. Okay. Okay, give me a minute. I run out to get my own markers back.
siap sih kau.
I take this,
Facial.
Sao kìa, là tên to đó.
He meeting the seller today, right now.
The seller text him.
Okay,
Okay, now. Yeah, then it say, "Aiya, I thought them break ah." That's why cannot.
Fashion. The one not one step eh. The one 2 step eh.
Yeah, she is. Fashion trend.
People fashion for using cheats. Negative player, no skill player.
No skill. Because there's a player already.
Volume is cube or square?
Huh?
Volume is cube, right?
Yeah, Q3 ah.
Fashion is
Actually,
equal
Find the volume.
so fast.
How you play volume?
Volume so easy.
Take 5 to 5. Benefits area. Find the volume.
That's from it's like how you measure the volume.
Yeah.
Find the
Volume of the base area to Huh? You don't use. Height here. Then we press this. surface area. Plus, yeah. Total surface area. 5 times 2 squared.
Hey, do you bring the pie over?
What's on your calculator?
Now what's that?
06.
7.
3s minus. Oh shit! Oh, don't do. Oh, okay lah.
Shit. I don't know.
8 squared.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
64.
Okay.
And no. Now you block yeah, question 4. You block question 4 for using Do you want the wheel even?
Hey Ryan, what's the answer for question 3? Is it 3, 4, 9? 3, 4, 9 or
So don't know how to get one.
6,
What's 9 times 9?
plus
I give up on that. Learn from this now. Actually, that's very correct.
Are we done?
The question 4 need to
Yeah, question 4 you do.
what the?
Actually, could you do question 1 on the whiteboard? Thank you. do question 2 on the whiteboard. Units, please, Ashley.
Social distance.
What's the social distance?
看到
What's wrong, Ashley?
哎，wrong ah. Valerie, after long Yeah. It's not the one I think so. I don't know. Actually, right. She always trying to run.
Oh no. I saw somewhere.
Damn.
Mixer, can you do question 3?
Yes, I know.
Thank you. Okay, let's look at the answers on the whiteboard. Some are correct, some are not. Let's just do a check. Question 1. Answer is 1140 cm cube when rounded to 3 sm. How many of you think is correct? Who thinks it's wrong? Nobody? Then the rest
Oh no.
Can't be, right? Question 1. Come on. Who thinks is correct? It's wrong? Really?
这个需要生
Why is it wrong then?
wrong.
Because the point something is
The point something something is a tree.
No, but it's wrong to 3 Useless.
3 sm 1140, is it correct or wrong? Correct. Then now you all then say, then you all make Ashley scared of herself. You're bullying, you know, this one.
cyber bullying.
Math bully.
Okay, so 1140 is correct, okay? So give her some confidence. She keeps thinking she's wrong, but it's correct one. Okay, so 1/3 pi r squared, radius is 8, then after times the height 17. Alright, question 2, h equals to 7, right or wrong?
Correct.
Alright? Who thinks it's wrong? Okay, yes. Alright, I really like this working. Reason is because, okay, make use of the volume, form an equation, alright? And then after that, I noticed that what Glenn did is to actually calculate 1/3 times 6 squared, give me 12 pi, rather than giving me truncated 5 sm. That will be better. Reason is because the volume given to you is in exact 84 pi. Okay, so if you leave this in 12 pi, then you will get a very nice answer at the end, rather than to get a very long answer, then after that having to round off. Okay, so this is really a maintaining of a good accuracy. Alright, So h equals to 7 is correct.
Better than question.
Okay?
Better
Next
than
one, question 3.
Better than question.
Right or wrong?
No.
How many of you think that is right?
Correct.
Who thinks it's wrong? Then make sure you now you raise hand and say wrong. This is your own working man. Why is it wrong then? You don't know? You just feel it's wrong. You go to exam feeling that your answers are wrong. Then that shouldn't be the case, right? Yeah. That doesn't make sense, you understand that? Okay, don't go to exam and then you feel that your answers are all wrong. Right? You need to have some confidence. Okay? But even if you know that it's wrong, but you must you feel that it's wrong, you must know why is it wrong. Right? So what is the mistake over here? Yes, Jun. Find the no need to find the height. Do you say that? Okay? So the Grandmaster Jun say no need to find the height. Is it right or wrong?
GM.
Is it correct or not? No need to find the height. Okay, so you look at the formula again for total surface area. We try to find pi r. R we have the radius given already. L. Okay, it's what we need. Are we given the L already? Yes, right? We're given the slant height already. Okay, so finding out the height is not necessary because subsequently to find the circle base area, there's no need for the height as well. Okay, so that is the issue over here. Alright, so what I would say is you're too focused on how we did it previously, then you try to replicate it blindly. Okay, then you never notice what exactly is it that you need. Okay, so to correct this answer, alright, the total surface area should actually be pi times the radius 9, slant height 50 plus pi radius 9 squared. Okay, so it was in this case a straightforward substitution of values such that we get our answer to be 679 cm squared when rounded to 3 sm.
Correct.
Okay, got it? Any questions? Right, for question 4, I'm not sure whether all of you have finished it already or not. Go back home and do it. Okay, I'll go through it the next lesson.